What up, my homies? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change field of view in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in the settings. Then just click here to General, and you're gonna see right here, field of view. And you can see it here directly on your right side. The defines the height and width of the game in view. Oh my god, it was so cringe. I'm so sorry, but I'm not going to stop recording. And you can change it to 100 and you can see the field of view is increasing. Like, I recommend checking out like the pro players, what they're using, and you can use it too. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.